All right, guys, so we are going to be going over some sight words, some new words, and the words that we've already learned. You're going to watch this same video all week. Until next week, I will change and add more words. We are also going to be making some words. Okay, so I'm going to start with the sight words. You're going to say it, and then I'll say it after. Blue, see, we, for, them, said, big, and, so, of, the, to, one, red, can, on, in, my, go, a, you, I, some, the, is, it, me, up. Good job. Now I'm going to introduce to you some new words. This is the word they. T-H-E-Y. They. You say it. They. As. A-S. As. As. Are. A-R-E-R. His. H-I-S. His. His. Are. As. They. As. Are. His. They. Your go. You're going to read them by yourself. They. Good job. His. Good job. Are. Good job. As. Good job. So these are sight words for the week. You guys have to write them 5 times each in your notebooks. Again, they, his, are, as. Can't wait to see how you wrote your sight words for the week. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to make some words. The words that we are going to make today will either have the short A sound or the short I sound. What sound does the A make? Ah, good. What sound does the I make? Eh. Remember, these are short A and short I words, okay? The first word that we are going to write is the word hid. Hid. Let's stretch it first. I, D. Hid. Go ahead, write it. Okay, now I'll write it with you. What letter did we hear first in the word hid? Good. H. I. I. What are we hearing in the middle? I. I. D. D. What is this word ending with? D. Good. I. D. Let's get ready for the next one. Lap. Lap. Let's go ahead and stretch that. O, a, p. Lap. Go ahead, write it. Okay. What letter are we hearing first in the word lap? What letter is that? Good. L. L. A. A. What are we hearing in the middle? A. Good. A. L. A. P. P. What are we hearing at the end? A P. Good job. Let's read it. L. A. P. Lap. Good job. Next word is pan. Pan. Let's stretch it. P. A. N. Pan. Okay, write it. Okay, what letter are we hearing first? P. Good job. A. 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 P. A. N. 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 Good job. Let's read it. P. A. N. P. A. N. Pan. Good job. Let's do one more word. Let's do the word dim. Dim. D. I. M. Dim. Go ahead, write it. Okay. What letter are we hearing first? D, D, D. D. Good job. D. I. D. I. M. M. What are we hearing at the end? A M. Good job. Let's go ahead and let's sound that out. Let's go. D. I. M. Let's stretch it. D. M. Dim. Very nice job. I want you guys to go ahead and reread the words on your page. Read them 3 times. Okay? All right. So we are done with making words. We went ahead and we went over our sight words. Remember to practice writing your sight words 5 times each day for this week. Sight words are they, his, are, and as. Can't wait to see all of your hard work. Remember, this video is to be used and played all week long. I will re-record a new video with new words for next week. Okay, guys? See you soon.